Come, let's make Sabudana vada. This is Sabudana or the tapioca granule soaked for 2-3 hours. You can soak it for 4 hours also. If it is slightly rough also, mildly rough also, it's okay because it won't consume too much of oil when you're frying. Then boil some potato and mash it. Add some green chilies and add some salt. See whom we have got as a guest to see our cooking. Hi. Hi Shambhu. Shambhu has come in rain to see our recipe and he had gone. Because he doesn't like videos. So mash the potato. And these are all roasted groundnuts. So if you can remove it fully, yes. Otherwise, even the skin will form a little bit of. It will add to your digestion, right? As wastage. And add some 1 handful or 2 handfuls max. Or since the quantity is more today, I may add 3 also. Depends upon the quantity or judgment. Like how much you like it. I added some, here we go, we added some dhania patta to it. I changed the vessel because the quantity was a little more than I thought. When the groundnuts are lightly seen and crispy, children would like it more. So our next step is to boil some nice hot oil. Add, what you can do is, see, this is vada consistency, right? It will stick mildly to each other and it won't be gooey or it won't be very tough also. It's moderate moist because of the adding of the oil. Second one same way. God has given great all equipments in the hands and legs. We don't require support of anything else. See this? This is the second one. Now I'm making the third one. Hi Shambhu, you are still there? Say hello. Hi. Shambhu wants some vada. They give a constant company when you cook. The third one. Within few minutes in the medium flame you run it. You don't require a very high flame. It will get done. See the remaining atta. Make some chutney for eating. It will be wonderful. Tiffin on a rainy day. This is almost done. Nice yummy sago vada. Sago, which is mostly used for fasting. Sago is used for fasting in North India. You can make it a little more uniform and nicely roasted also. So I make it more roasted and more of red color. Thank you. Enjoy with some chutney.